Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to contact Venmo support quickly if you ever need help. First, open your Venmo app and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Scroll down and select Get Help, then choose Contact Us. Here, you'll see different options. You can chat with Venmo's support team directly in the app, send them an email, or call them. For live chat, tap Chat with Us, and you'll be connected to an agent during business hours, usually Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Time. If you prefer email, tap Email Us, write your issue clearly, and Venmo will usually respond within 24 hours. You can also call Venmo support at 855-812-4430 for urgent problems like unauthorized transactions. And that's it. That's how you can reach Venmo support anytime to fix issues, report suspicious activity, or get help with your account. Subscribe the channel for more videos.